what's up? Today we're playing Lab Monkey with Bum Bum. Let's go. Wait. Let's see.
Alright, come on MJ. Let's play bathroom.
Okay.
MJ?
I'm seeing a blue.
MJ, let's go.
Oh,
I'm here. Whoa.
What is this? Ah!
MJ!
Help me! This is a public bathroom, and this sus. No, bro, I'm going in the bathroom. Ah!
MJ, where are you?
I'm stuck. There's a crazy maid.
MJ, this is safe zone. This is safe zone. I think.
Do.
Should we run?
I am placed.
The monster went this
Oh my god, there's the crazy maid! I just saw that Karen go over the corner.
I'm scared.
Look, this is safe room. There's no way for her to get
See
in.
myself in the mirror.
I am
MJ.
saying hello. Oh,
Hello.
oh.
Monkey.
Ah! Hello, you fat.
MJ, come on, let's go. Oh, I thought that was a vent.
I am placing.
MJ.
Oh, there she is. Come on, let's get her.
Oh, God! Oh, she's fast!
Oh. She's in.
MJ?
Help! Yeah. This is so cool.
MJ, where are you? Oh, MJ, look at this toilet.
What is
It
this?
looks kind of good. Looks kind of good. What the?
Oh,
Oh.
no. No!
I don't want to eat. I want to have this toilet.
Bro, do you know how to leave?
MJ!
I want to leave this.
MJ, how do we leave? Wait, how do you do that?
Wait, I think we have to reset the game. Let's just reset the game real quick. Hey guys, we're back, and now we're doing whatever Bum Bum chooses.
I
want to go back to school. Back to school. Let's go. This is so terrible. I don't want to go back to school. I can't see. I'm blind.
We're going through a portal.
Oh.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, yikes!
Hell no, bro. This is like, oh, what the hell?
That was a scary.
Is that an anime girl, bro?
I'm hiding under that sussy table.
Bro,
here.
that's an anime girl, I'm telling you. Oh, hello. MJ, come on, let's go.
I'm not going down there.
Come on, bro.
Okay, fine. You go first. She's not in the corridors. Wait, where did I just get that green screen? Oh, you're up here too. Okay, I think we should end the video here. We're gonna make a part 2 on this tomorrow. So guys, see you in the next video and goodbye.